Of course, everyone has the expectation of it being, katulad nga po ng sinabi ni Miss April, meticulous and of high quality. So did you feel any pressure right now to meet those expectations? And how was it working with, of course, Miss Liza, Miss Rian, and with Wide International?
Grabe pang beauty queen talaga. Of course, I do feel the pressure right now. Lahat naman ng pelikula, pressure talaga ako. It's just, siguro, ano lang ako, gusto ko lang gawin din yung job ko as a director, and always I keep in mind, lagi, tuwing may gagawin ako, bakit ko siya ginagawa? Bakit ko siya ginagawa? Para kanino ko siya ginagawa? So, kapag iniisip ko yun, minsan gusto ko na mag-give up in the middle of the shoot, in the middle of the editing, or whatever. Pero kasi kapag iniisip ko kung para saan ko ginagawa itong pelikulang ito, doon ako bumabangon. So, that's very important to me. And, of course, yung mga katrabaho ko, syempre they're really fun to be with, lalo na pag after nila ng shoot, kapag may alak na, oh my God. Oo, sige paki-edit out yun, sorry. Hindi ko sabihin, parang they're really fun to be with, but ang pinaka gusto ko kasi, like na sinasabi nyo, ridiculous and all, that's very true. Pero ang maganda doon is yung mga kasama ko na naiintindihan ako na I'm very strict during the shoot. When it's work, we work. You know, when it's play, yes, rock and roll. Ganun. Wow. Ganun lang talaga. So, that's why I'm very thankful with them na, yun nga, they're very disciplined actors. All of them, of course. Siyempre, ako na-stars na ako. So, sorry ha, pero kay Miss Elizabeth Alapesa talaga ako na-starstruck eh. Talaga naman na tinanggap niya yung project na kahit supporting role. And she's a discovery here na komedyante pala siya. Nagulat din naman ako. Pero sobrang, Miss Orona ko, sobrang I'm very honored to work with you. Grabe.
The honor's mine.
And of course with Liza and Rian, gusto ko sa kanila, sobrang nila akong pinagkatiwalaan sa paggawa ng pelikula, even with those intimate scenes and comedy scenes, drama scenes, lahat pinagkatiwalaan niya ako. And very important po yun sa director because mas papadali po yung trabaho mo kung may tiwala sa akin yung dalawang artista ko. And it's really a collaboration also. You know, when they give opinions, I also ask them if they're comfortable with this and ano. So, yun. Very collaborative kami pagdating sa shoot. And of course, with my producers na talaga namang, totoo po yun, na ang dami nilang ginawa sa pelikulang ito, hindi lang po pera. Sobrang, ang dami rin nilang natutunan sa production. Thank you for your patience talaga, Miss April and Miss Pauline talaga, dahil yung patience nyo sa, ang dami nilang involved sila sa production. But more than anything else is for spearheading this project. Kasi bihira din sa producers yung makagawa ng isang GL film. Alam mo, mahirap sumugal pa rin. Alam ko, nasa panahon na tayo ng woke, but money matters pa rin. Kaya very important na sana masuportahan niyo yung aming pelikula para marami ring producers ang makapag-produce ng mga GL films or BL films, lesbian, gay, and kahit drama, comedy pa yan. It's very important na magkaroon ng platform ang LGBTQ community. Yan. Thank you.
Thank you, Direk. I'm waiting for this for many, many years now, and it's here at last. So what makes you the most proud about working with each other as a couple on screen? And now on the big screen.
Okay. Nasabi ko na ito kanina na nakatrabaho ko si Rian from Stairway to Heaven pa. And at that time, nag-aaway pa kami, sabunutan kami, gano'n. Iba yung dynamics namin at that time. And then, I was able to work with her, parang fast forward to 2015.
Ay, patay-pareho kami ng sagot una.
Yung Rich Man's Daughter. Nung time na medyo nag-iba ulit yung dynamics kasi very sensitive yung subject na yun nung time na yun. But kung kung ano man yung kinaka-proud ko doon was we were able to give voice to people, women, who can't speak up. Kasi after that, ang dami kong mga natanggap na emails, na mga letters from a lot of people who were afraid to come out. And na natatakot sila sa kung ano yung sasabihin ng mga tao sa paligid nila, ano magiging perception sa kanilang pamilya nila. But I think nung time na yun, when we did Bridgman's Daughter, bilang mga actors, isa yun sa pinaka-rewarding na pakiramdam that you were able to touch and kumbaga parang empower women or people or the audience. So ayun yung isa sa mga bagay na katulad ni Direk Sigrid, di ba? Kung ano yung bagay na nagpapabangon sa kanya bilang mga actor, ito yung fuel sa amin. Siyempre masarap makatanggap ng mga awards, pero kapag nanggaling sa mismong nanood yung mensahe na maraming salamat na binigyan mo kami ng boses, napakasarap sa pakiramdam. So I think, proud ako sa amin ni Rian that we were able to pull that topic and that project. And here, iba naman yung atake namin this time, but ngayon parang bigger screen, di ba? Bigger platform. Malaki na yung screen namin ngayon. Ang dami nang pwedeng puntahan. And hindi lang sa Pilipinas na we were able to reach the people from outside the Philippines. So, ayun, dun pa lang napaproud na ako.
Miss Rian?
I agree.
Ang ganda na kasi yung sinabi.
True that, Liza.
Period.
Well, yeah, definitely. That's what made me proud also so many years ago. Na parang there was really a lack of representation, I think. And I think when you work in media, it's kind of our responsibility then to lead the way and tell people what is normal. I mean, kasi ako, when I feel sad or misunderstood or something, it always makes me feel better to listen to a piece of art or watch, either listen to music or watch a movie and all of a sudden when there's a story being told, I feel seen and I feel I'm not so weird pala, I'm not so different from other people. And I think that was the biggest gift of Rich Man's Daughter. What I can say I'm proud of with Liza naman is we've known each other and we've worked together over such a long period of time that I've seen so many of her eras also, na parang every time we do a different project, you're a different person. In a good way. In a good way. That just means we're growing. Pero, alam mo yun, like, now I think the Liza that I met this time, and also I hope that the Rian that you met this time, is a new person that also, like, the person that you are, it makes me proud of you, the person that you've become, and how much responsibility you take on for something that you believe in, and your job. So, that's what I'm proud of. The fact that I can say na through the years, we've somehow grown together.
I think that deserves a round of applause, everyone. I think it's so inspiring to hear actors who recognize the importance of representation through media. And I think it speaks to yung impact ninyong dalawa, that you guys lended your voices to women who need representation in media many, many years ago. And